Hello and welcome to another update video about SEI. So on the SEI chart, unchanged situation, but the price has reacted to the trading area for the first time now, or second time actually, but this time a more substantial reaction. No guarantee that we've started already the fifth wave. It might be the B wave. Let's first talk about the bigger picture for anybody who's new on the channel, and then we take a look at the microstructure because it's quite interesting. Looking at the bigger picture, we're following mainly two scenarios. In both scenarios, as long as the 44-cent level is holding, further increasing prices are expected in either the yellow count or the white count, taking us to 93 cents and above. So in the yellow count, which is short-term more bearish, but also bullish, okay, it just basically, you know, compared to the white count, it would only make one more high instead of two. Here we have an ABC structure that's formed, A wave, B wave, C wave. I don't automatically assume it will form a 5-wave structure, which would be ideal because cryptos often fail after 3 waves. So that's just something to note. Even in this scenario, however, one more high seems to be a reasonable expectation, especially as long as the 52-cent level is holding. But at the latest below 44, I will turn bearish. But yeah, 52 cents is the key support for the yellow scenario, in which we have an A, B, C structure, and then within the yellow C wave. By the way, an ideal target for the yellow C wave is, let me just double check something. Can bring that onto the chart 1 second. An ideal target for the yellow C wave. Here we take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, and the 100% extension. That was 73 cents. That's already been reached, but it doesn't have 5 waves up yet, not clearly. So I would prefer the next FIB extension at 97 cents. Just need to remind myself of the FIBs. Yeah, but 97 cents is the next main target for the yellow C wave. After that, $1.16. And it seems like it ideally should get one more high. So it would look better with one more high. Basically, of the B wave low, wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 to the downside, wave 3 to the upside. Now a wave 4, we get to that in a minute, and then one more high in a wave 5. That's bigger picture, yellow count. In the white count, remember what I just said, it's the same situation, but in the white count, if we break below the 52-cent level, it could still be the white wave 4 in which we're already. So in the white count, we basically get one more high, yeah, or 2 more, whereas in the yellow count, 1 more high. In the white, it would be 2 more highs ideally, but I can give it space basically in the white count all the way down to 44 cents. So that's really the key support level, 44 cents. Both have the same micro count in this move to the upside. So at the moment, we can deal with the same micro count. For me, the question is mainly, no, at the moment, I assume we're in the yellow wave 4, which is the wave 4 of either yellow wave C or white wave 3. Okay, I assume that at the moment. And the idea is possibly we completed an A wave. We might see a B wave at some point and then a C wave down. This would be the ideal structure. That B wave might touch the 93-cent level. I'm not saying it will, but sometimes, because the third wave here missed that target slightly by a few cents. So sometimes then the B wave in that correction will touch it. But overall, yeah, it might be the start of the B wave. I would like to see, however, a break above 72.5 cents, that last swing high, to get further indications about that. Could still easily fail and trend down more directly. It's not a very clear 3-wave move here, so I have difficulties to assume that this is all of wave 4 already. Of course, when we go higher, the possibility exists that this is already the wave 5. But I assume, first of all, this is an A wave, we get a B, and then come down once more in C for a clearer ABC structure. That, however, you know, what exactly it is, the market will have to show us. What we can do is only understand where support is sitting, understand if we want to trade the 5th wave, look for entries in this target area, trading area potentially, and then take a trade. The market certainly reacted a few times to these FIBs, especially now with the latest dip into the support region. the reaction was a bit more substantial, but so far I'm not convinced yet that the B wave has really started. But it is this area where we're watching for a potential B wave or a wave 5 to start. Remember, volatile week ahead due to ETF news. Okay, that's my update about SEI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.